I love staying at the JW Marriott in Clearwater Beach, Florida. It's an absolutely beautiful property the moment I arrive. My room opens to jaw-dropping views of both the Sugar White Beach and the Calm Bay, and the whole place feels bright, modern, and totally relaxing. I always grab one of the complimentary bikes and pedal the waterfront. It's the best way to explore and soak up sunshine. The pool scene is perfect for a lazy afternoon, but I'm just as happy sipping a craft cocktail while the Gulf turns golden. The food here is top-notch, fresh seafood, creative small plates, and cocktails that make every evening feel special. Nightly rates typically range from about $250 for $150 depending on season, and I've noticed weekends can actually be cheaper, so it's worth checking weekend dates for deals. Service is warm and effortless, so I can really unwind. Whether I'm watching sunrise on the sand, cruising on a bike, or enjoying an evening drink with spectacular beach and bay views, the JW Marriott makes Clearwater Beach feel unforgettable. It's my go-to spot for a looks but laid-back escape. Like and subscribe for more travel tips.